Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching Biker Babs Bartender. Today 15th August, Independence Day. So, today we came in a Boss Forest and it's a farmhouse. You can see the farmhouse here. And very big farm he has, and this is his guava garden. So you can see the guavas here, all the guavas, trees, very natural, very interesting, very nice place. See man, awesome, very nice. With fresh guava, man. You like it? Can you see? मैं करूँगा कि वो भी ऐड करूँगा. हाँ आ जाएगा ना. चलो. Come. I'll show you something interesting, you know. What interesting I can show you, man? This is guava.
Some good guava.
Man, this is
Male puka
already
captain.
I've gone.
Appa sir.
See this guy, man. He has no brain.
Why not? Brain is empty.
Brain is empty, man. I'll show some juggling, you know. See? What? See?
Oh.
See the color? See the color of this, man?
মাল পড়ে যাবে অন্তে.
Come closer, man. See it. But fly, why fly is there? Because it's very sweet. So fly like sweet. You know? Hey Anand.
How's the feeling today?
Good, man. Very good. Come. You wanna have this? You want to eat?
Yes.
Okay. Keep it here. See.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
There's some mango tree also, but it will take time to grow and to give you some fruits. Yeah? Man, see the view, man. Very natural, man. And you can expect rain.
The natural
anytime.
beauty of Latur.
Yeah. And you know, don't show this guy, man. Can you see the nature of this? You can expect rain anytime, any moment, because it's rainy season. And in this place, it's little bit hill. It's awesome. All the guavas is like wasting. You can sell, man. Why wasting the fruit? This one, you know, desi. This is desi guava. See? This is going to be very tasty. Because, yeah. See?
How's the taste?
Very sweet. But not crispy. I like crispy. Come on. Why birds are not having this, man? Birds doesn't like fruits. I don't know why. See this one? Man. Zoom it, man. Zoom it. See? See the color. It's very natural. Very natural. But you can't imagine it's natural. You will feel like artificial. It's all natural. You can feel, see the tree. The tree can't hold the fruits. So many fruits in small tree. Guava tree. Man, we can make guava juice. And we can make salty dog cocktail.
Yes,
in a
yes,
bar.
yes.
Yeah? Some fresh guava juice. You can sell it very. You can sell it.
Guava
price,
jam
man.
also.
Come. Awesome. See, man. Let's go. So, guys, I'll show you some more things today. This is the guava garden. Okay, I have shown you already. So many guavas.
Sugar cane also.
Yeah, I will show you sugarcane also, and some mousambi. You know mousambi.
Yeah.
Sweet lime. I will show you sweet lime, and I'll show you some more trees, mango trees and everything. Yeah. Come up. I will show you some more things, some more interesting things.
okay.
Come up. So guys, thanks for watching. It's Biker Babs Bartender. So if you like my video, do subscribe. Do like my videos, and if you want to do some comments, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. With this nice place, we have come here today. So guys, before I have shown you the guava garden, I'm going to show you some sugarcane. See the sugarcane. Now it's growing. It will take time to grow. And I'll show you some more things. Come up. So let's go inside, man.
Okay.
But there is a door. Okay. See this view, man. More ahead. You know what? There's some sweet lime I've seen before. So guys, I forgot to tell you, this is in Parli in Maharashtra. It's 80 kilometers ahead from Latur and approx 400 kilometers from Pune. So this is Parli, the place named Parli, and we have Parli city here. We visited the power point at Parli, which is the main power supplier. It's in Parli. We had visited in early morning today. I cannot show you some pictures because of the restriction. We cannot share the pictures and everything. But I'm just telling you, because the 2-3 things is famous in Parli. So one is that power supply, power point, and solar power point. Sorry, thermal power point. I'm sorry for that. Thermal power point in Parli. And there is a very big temple here in Parli, which is called Jyotirling, and we didn't visit it there actually because it's Shravan month and we had mutton chicken. That's why we didn't visit the temple, unfortunately. But we have come here in this forest, and there is a farmhouse. So this is the farmhouse. It's very big. Guys, come. This is on sweet lime, you know. There is a sweet lime, but I don't think you can catch. I need to get inside. We'll go from there.
Okay.
I'll see you in some time, guys. Until the end, the big tree is over there. That is the end of this garden. So you can imagine how many mango trees are there. And that is the tent house. Okay. So you can stay there night time also. You can have fun. You can make parties. You can enjoy. I love this place, man. What about you, man? Vikas,
Huh?
do you like the place?
Yes.
He is Vikas actually. He is Vikas with me, holding the camera. He also has a YouTube channel. You can follow him. Vikas, you can introduce yourself.
My name is Vikas from Guwahati.
Show yourself.
छोड़ो अभी.
We'll go up there. This is actually very risky. Because you can find some,
Natural beauty.
natural beauty and some natural thing also you can get. We'll go from there.
Today adventure is on.
You wanna go up there?
This house also pretty.
Can you imagine? It's like a ghost.
So pretty house. Sorry.
Tea table. No. Seated chair. Come up. Man. Imagine. Awesome.
Man, what is this?
Crows.
This is cobra also.
No. Hey man, that's it for today. It's called Boya Weaver Bird Next. So I'm gonna show you in the pool. So this is the pool we have in the farmhouse. So there is a next, you can see. So many nests of Boya Weaver Bird Next. Can you see? There's so many. So there's a lot of birds. You can see all the birds over there. And this is the nest, so many nests. Very rare to find, guys. And see the deep of the pool is very deep. It's dangerous, man. Yeah. So guys, that's it for today. Actually, we just come over here to adventure new things in the forest, in the farmhouse. And today, it is our weekend off day, and it is 15th August Independence Day. So guys, we're just relaxing over here and enjoying the nature. It's a hill place. The place is in Parli, Maharashtra. It's 400 kilometers away from Pune and 80 kilometers ahead from Latur. So that's it guys. See you. Take care. Bye bye. See you on the next video.
감자. ये हम है, ये हमारा क्षेत्र है।
पापा सर देखो पापा सर